Hello, today we are going to make some traditional Dutch cake called Boterkoek, which translates into butter cake. Start with some eggs and sugar and mix those up forever until they're creamy. Add our eggs, 2 farm fresh eggs from the village chickens.
And here we're adding our flour to the mix.
This is where it gets tricky. No electric mixer. It is a really easy recipe. And they would often cook it with almond extract and almonds on it. So now that everything is mixed, we have to put it into the Dutch oven. Lid off. And then the batter, which is quite thick, gets pressed down. Fingers are easier. Quite a thick cake. And then the lid goes on and it goes in the fire. It's left for about half an hour. There. Leave that for about half an hour and then we'll have the cake. There it is. Thank you very much for joining us in making beautiful butter cake in the Dutch oven.